Hi, Mark here. It is Thursday, October the 2nd, just after 8 a.m. Eastern, just after noon GMT. US session now underway, and let's have a look how the market's shaping up. This is the fourth consecutive day of US dollar weakness, US dollar being sold off, lower highs the whole way. I've got resistance at 97.48 and I've got support at 97.19. What we have seen for the past 3 days going into today is to start Asian European session. We've seen weak US dollar. US dollar has fought back in later part of the US session. You can see the wicks it's left behind. We'll see if that repeats itself today. If we see this wick grow and US dollar buyers step in, or if this weakness continues and perhaps a test or challenge of this support area. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. We're a good hour and a half away from Wall Street opening up. We're looking at the futures market, and record high has been set. Demand for US equities, we can see that. We've got support sitting at 6,757 and the new record high at 6,779. Again, we'll see once now that the US session is open and we get to the opening of the Wall Street opening in an hour and a half, whether this does continue, demand continues, and we see this new record high even get extended. Alternatively, if we get a turnaround once the US session gets underway, and sellers look back down at the 6,757 support, but certainly off on the front foot and strong S&P to start the day. Let's have a look at gold. Yesterday we had a new record high set, but then there was some profit taking. You can see the small green candlestick it left behind. Today, continuation of demand for gold. Buyers on the front foot. I've got support at 3,852 and resistance at 3,886, almost at yesterday's high. Buyers looking to break this resistance level. We'll see if sellers do step in, and that will, I think, be profit taking and look back down at the 3,852 support level. Brent oil. Another strong day for sellers. You can see second, third, fourth, fifth consecutive day of textbook downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, and testing this very tough support level at around the $65. I've got, if I just put my support a little bit lower, you'll see that today's support is at 64.82, and you can see is lower than the previous attempts. It has broken through. We'll see whether that can be maintained. If sellers can break below the 65 and maintain and push lower, or if buyers are going to step in and look up at the resistance, which is sitting at $66.56. But weak oil to start and looking to test this support level. Bitcoin, after really strong day yesterday, continuing today, still demand. Sellers haven't as yet stepped in. I've got support at 118.3 thousand and resistance at 119.4 thousand. Buyers will be looking up at this resistance level, looking to test, break it, and looking at this all-time high. If I go back to August of 124,000, that's where buyers will be aiming, will be looking. Sellers will be looking to break below this support at 118.1 thousand. Good trading, keep that discipline, and I'll see you at the end of the day.